Okay, so yeah, this video is a cooking video again. Today we're going to be making a cake. Find out. This is what we'll be making in the video. It's quite good. This is also me after making the video, so that's why it's already been half eaten. This was a fun video to make. Dropping the camera. So yeah, this was a fun video to make. The food itself was good, and yeah, hope you enjoy this video. See you later. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're doing a bit of cooking, although not the typical kind. We need like 2 ingredients, just some Oreos and milk. Pretty simple. So let's start this thing. This was inspired by a TikTok video, which I will add now.
So apparently you can make cake using only Oreos.
Oreo only? No way!
So
that ain't
yeah,
gonna work.
Yeah, you just add milk and crush it up.
Wow, just throw the mug in the microwave?
Yeah, the microwave.
The mugcrowave? Dude, we gotta try that. Welcome to Fact or Cap.
Where we test TikTok videos to see if they're real or bullshit.
Alright, we got the crushed up Oreos, we got the milk. Let's mix them. Alright, so we got the diabetes in a cup. We're about to taste test it and see.
Ooh,
That's pretty fucking far, I'm not even gonna front.
really good. No more Pizza Hut lava cake.
Follow so you never wonder.
Something like TikTok is really bullshit ever again.
So yeah, in the video they used like 3 or 4 regular sized Oreos, although I couldn't find regular ones, so I'm probably just going to empty a pack of these in, maybe a bit of them. So yeah, that's basically just another voiceover bit, because looking back on this, I definitely added a bit too much milk, for the amount of Oreo there was at least, and I thought I added quite a bit of Oreo, so I thought there was too much Oreo. But looking back at it now, after making it, I don't think I did, as I had to put it in the microwave multiple times to add milk. Not as cakey as I wanted it to be. At the moment that doesn't look very tasty. However, let's be honest. No, as you can see, we're just crushing it up. However, adding a couple more Oreos, so I started to think that now. And then, yeah, that's basically all that I have to do here, because I wasn't too sure. Okay, so I'm just going to continue doing this for another couple of seconds, I'd say. Hopefully, should end up looking something a bit better. Okay, so I'm gonna go put this in the microwave and I'll be back. So here it is, just spinning round. So here's just to look at the consistency. So to be honest, I don't know if 1 minute's gonna be enough. That's how long I put it in initially, but I'll probably have to put it in for another couple of minutes. After being cooled, but anyway, we're back. Assuming I didn't do it right. But yeah, I'm kind of looking forward to it. So yeah, I'm on my 3rd minute of doing this. I definitely messed something up because first when I was mixing it, it didn't quite look right, and I've just taken it out and had a look and it's still not looking quite right, but it's getting there. It's definitely close. So then hopefully 1 more minute and then that'll be it, and then I'll check back with you guys when it's done. So yeah, here it is. Gonna have a bite of it now. See if it's any good. As you can see, it's like looking like a cake. Just the top layer looks a little bit weird, but hey, if it tastes good, then I don't care. That is good. That is very good.
I don't know, I would have like basically nothing else if I buy this.
What I kind of want to do is add some different milkshake flavours to it, maybe that could be quite fun. But that is really good, and I'm probably going to finish this all, like, throughout the day. Yeah, sorry this was such a short video, guys. It was just a random thing that I found on TikTok and wanted to test out, see if it was any good or not, and I have got some ideas for future videos, making this, or similar things, different biscuits, different milkshake flavours, wide variety of stuff. So, if you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like, and if you aren't subscribed yet, please do so, it helps the channel out a bunch. Yeah, other than that, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.